everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can probably guess, I buy a ton of stationery and I want to be able to show you guys what I've been purchasing. So the first stationery order of this year that arrived was my order from Journal Say. The main reason I wanted to shop on Journal Say was because they were having a end of the year sale and there was one specific item that I was really interested in getting. It's pretty big, this giant wooden cabinet. And I first saw this on a different YouTube channel for their Journal Say haul, and I thought that it would be a good way to store my ink bottles. Because if you've watched other videos on my channel, you'll know that I unboxed the Color Vent calendar last year, and inside were basically 24 different small bottles of ink. And I have been at a loss for how to store them, as it significantly increased my ink bottle collection. So I hope these shelves inside, there's a lot of different sizes you can get, but I got the biggest one because I have a lot of ink bottles. And inside it just has a little shelf, so I wonder if I could lay them all out here and then I could put the bigger ones down here. And I wanted to use these little drawers to store ink samples. That is the first thing. Everything else in my order came in this box. Even though it's only been a week, I kind of already forgot what I got. So let's open it up. I do remember that I got a lot of washi tape, and I think they gave me a freebie. They gave me this painting marker from Marie's. It says it's a painting marker, and this is the broad tip. I thought the color was black, but it seems a bit colorless, and it has a really strong smell. So I got these sets. This is one of their color sets. I wanted some solid washi tapes because I don't actually have any of my own. But they have like white specks all over them, but I hope that when I unravel it, it kind of disappears. I got another set of washi, but these are patterned and they're very thin. And I just love these patterns. Got another solid set, because that one was mostly reds and pinks, but I wanted the blue, green, and yellow and orange. And the last set is also patterned, but it says vintage, and the other one said kawaii. So these are more muted. I like that they also come with some solid colors that go with the patterns. Next, I got a pair of scissors, because I have been using my sewing scissors for cutting some of my stationery, but I really wanted a dedicated small planner set. And I got two deco tapes. You can see the pattern here. This one is like cute folksy florals, and this one is patterned whales swimming. I don't know when I'm going to use this, but it's just that it was so cute. These 5 are all from the same listing, and it's just this cloud pattern. What I really like about them is that they are cut out at the top already, so I think it adds less bulk to your planner. And what I'm noticing is this washi tape has a backing to it, so whenever you want to use it, it doesn't stick automatically. You have to peel it off. Next up, I got some more cutout washis. I think these 4 are from the same listing, but this one is separate. This one is like letters and mail, and these 4 are like whimsical designs. This one is planets. This one is like spring-like. See the butterfly? This one is whimsical. It's just feathers. And this one is aquatic theme with whales. Then I got these PET tapes. I don't know if they'll show up very well, but this one, oh, I had it upside down. This one is hanging stars. This one is the same design, but it doesn't have the gold. I guess you can see the pattern on this. This is white stars hanging down, and this one had some foiling on it. And then this one is more hanging stars, but the strings are a little different. Then I got a set of these dots. These are the color dots that you get this roll, and I just think this is really good for making to-do lists or adding tiny pops of color. Got these 2 animal themed washis. I just thought the designs were so cute. This one is of a hedgehog character, and this is of the bunny character. And it's just like watercolor and cute. Then I got 2 scenery ones. They're both called Every Scene, and it's just thin strips of Scenic Life, and I wanted these because I thought they were a good way to decorate traveling spreads. I had the same idea for these. They're both called Corner Florists. Pictures of cute florist shops. And I got the green, and I got the pink. Hi everybody! I just got a very exciting package in the mail that includes multiple Hubman and Chub Girl orders. On Boxing Day, which I think is the day after Christmas, so December 26th, I think, they're letting you buy Boxing Day mystery boxes. And there were two options, one for the Journal Buddy and one for the journal. Initially, I ordered the journal one, but I have always wanted to try the Hubman and Chub Girl journal buddy. So I got two smaller boxes, but this one is bigger. I think this is probably the mystery box with the journal, and this one probably goes with the Journal Buddy box because the Journal Buddy box is huge. So the first box I'm going to open up is the smaller ones, is an overview of what's inside. First up, I see that I got some pumpkin paper clips. This is just a bunch of stock that they had that they collected over a period of time that did not match their exact qualifications for the final product that they want to sell at full price. So this is all discounted stock. I see two coasters, I think from their advent calendar from a few years ago. I have two washi tapes, one from their Winter Wonderland sub, and then one from their dim sum line, which I've never seen before. I have this keychain. It says Holiday 2023, a Red Robin Hood bookmark. I have two of these post-it notes from their Be Positive advent calendar. I have three of these strip stickers, which I'm very excited to use. And I see a bunch of journaling stickers, so this is 5. Luckily, this says Hello 2025, otherwise I wouldn't have been able to use it. More journaling stickers. I think this is from their sub, but then these are for like functional stickers. This is also from their sub. 2 vinyls. I have 5 sheets of their decorative stickers, and I think these all come from different subs that they've had. I see multiple journaling kits. So we have a Hobonichi journaling kit, another one cousin journaling kit, which I really wanted to get. Then we have a 6-page vertical journaling kit. And we have a journaling card and a foldable greeting card. Oh, this is the mystery box that came with the free journal, and the free journal I got is But First Coffee. So I'm really happy I got that because I do like this theme a lot. I'm gonna open the bigger box. I think maybe it's bigger because it also includes a separate order that I placed within the same month. So what's inside? Based off of what I see, I think this is the freebie set. Usually there's a freebie event going on no matter what time you visit their website. If you reach a certain threshold, you can add this into your cart and it's going to be free. I think the threshold this time was $70, and in this I also see the separate order that I placed. I think this is the first time I've ever gotten the freebie. I never meet the threshold, I think, but everything's just packaged in one of their binders. And inside you get this shaker charm. All the freebies are usually themed, so they all match. So this is like Strawberry Harvest is what they're called. And then I also got a tote bag. I've never gotten one of their tote bags before, so I'm really excited. And it's just this big one with the Strawberry Harvest theme. Closes with a Velcro snap, and there are no pockets inside. But you can hang this shaker charm on the outside. For the separate order that I placed, if it's just flat, it will come in a vellum envelope like this. I got a bunch of Hobonichi cousin kits. First one I got, all their Hobonichi cousin kits come in three sheet formats. So I got their Hong Kong one. I don't know why, but the gnome one is packaged up nicely. I think because they have a set. They're having a bundle set with them right now. This is the Valentine's gnome kit. This is the Hong Kong Foodies cousin kit. This is the Strawberry Harvest Hobonichi cousin kit. And lastly, this is the Honey Lavender Hobonichi cousin kit. Now let's open the Journaling Buddy mystery box. Journal Buddy comes in its special case like this. And this is the Journal Buddy I received. So what the Journaling Buddy is it is a bag that was designed by Chub Girl. It's a special bag that was designed by Chub Girl for you to be able to carry your journaling supplies to different places you want to go, like if you want to sit in a cafe, or you know, you want to journal somewhere cute. Or it's also just good for general travel, I think, because it has a lot of compartments. This is the front. It is split into 2 big pockets that connect, but the top is sewn together. And then the back has a big pocket with a metal enclosure. Oh, I didn't expect this. Inside is the rest of the mystery box. I thought I just got the stuff that was floating around in the box. So I think all Journaling Buddies come with the shaker charm. and straps if you want to turn it into a crossbody. I think this is all faux leather. There's a divider on the inside to change it into 2 big compartments. And on one of the compartments you have 2 smaller compartments. So I am very excited to get some use out of this bag. Inside the bag I got 2 duplicate washies. I think the Hungry Panda collection. I thought they were raccoons at first and I was like, I've never seen a raccoon before on their channel. I have the 2 post-its, 2 coasters, the koala magnetic bookmark, vinyls I think are the same, 10 journaling sheets, and I'm glad that they're all different than the other box that I got. I have the origami Shiba charm. I have 2 pumpkin paper clip sets. Then I have their decorative stickers. I also got some kits too. Hobonichi Cousin Kit monthly. This has 2 sheets. Then I just see 1 sheet for this Hobonichi kit, which is totally fine because it's a mystery box. Then I see a mini planner kit for the Let's Travel collection. Also in this box, I have the breakfast binder, which I really love this theme. Then I have some very long vinyl stickers. Overall, this is a product I would always recommend getting from Hubman and Chub Girl. I think they are amazing value for money. And I really like that even though I placed 2 orders, the contents inside were still pretty different, so I am really glad that I got 2. So yes, highly recommend the Hubman and Chub Girl mystery boxes. Hi everybody, it's a new day. So today I got another package. This one is from Briannanicoledesignz. Show it to you because it was a little hard to read. And just like everything else I've been getting, it was a bunch of Hobonichi sticker kits. Like a lot of other Etsy shops, she included a freebie. This one is Valentine's Day themed because I ordered it in January. So according to my invoice, I got 9 kits and each of her kits is 2 pages. What I really liked about her kits was that it includes these bottom strips that aren't in a lot of other kits that I've been using. That was a good touch. The first one I got is called the Sweet and Frosty kit, and it's winter themed. Next up I got Hello Spring. I just, I'm a sucker for watercolor florals. She has like a wide variety of different art styles. Like this one is more cartoonish, but this is obviously watercolors. This is another watercolor one. It's Strawberry Delight. It was having a great sale. I think it was like more than 50% off each kit. So I just went through her whole catalog and picked out the ones that I liked. Next is this cruise kit. I got another spring kit. This is called Spring Garden Kit, and it has just more greens in it. As this honeybee kit, as you can tell, I'm drawn more to the realistic watercolor designs rather than the cartoon-like ones. I got another spring kit. It's the Spring Flowers Kit, and it's Easter themed because it has eggs and the bunny. In addition to those, she also does like these scenery kits. So I have this cozy winter kit that's just scenes of a house during Christmas. And the last one I got is the weekly cold winter. This is called the Cold Winter Kit, and I just really like all her art and I like the things that she includes in her kit. So that concludes my January stationery haul. It feels like I ordered a lot, and I probably did because a lot of sales were going on, and I just get so excited when I think about planning in the future. So I really wanted to get a lot of Hobonichi Cousin kits because I had never planned in the weekly section before. And I've watched lots of videos about vertical planning before, but I've never actually utilized it for myself. So I was really excited this year, and I can't wait to use everything that I bought. So if you like this video, please consider giving me a like and subscribing to my channel, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!